Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This is Prajwala Biyar. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel, hit the bell button to get a notification of all my videos. In previous video, we discussed about what is microeconomic, definition of microeconomic and the problems of an economic. Then we saw the production possibility of an economic. Today we are going to see the production possibility frontier. A production possibility frontier or production possibility curve is a curve which shows various combinations of the amounts of two goods which can be produced within the given resources and technology. A graphical representation showing all the possible positions of output for two products that can be produced using all factors of production where the given resources are fully and efficiently utilized per unit time. Production possibility frontier, it is a graph that show all the different combinations of output of two goods that can be produced using available resources and technology. Okay, I'll show a graph. Okay, this is the graph production possibility curve. This is a production possibility curve. Okay, this is a graph that shows all the different combinations of output of two goods that can be produced using available resources and technology. Okay, clear? Next, the subject matter of economics. Here is the chart. Okay, unlimited wants. There is no limited for wants. Economic activities. Economic activities means it may be a land, labor, capital, organization. Okay, economic activities means any action that involves producing, distributing or consuming. Okay, reward. Reward, it means rent, wages, interest, profit. Okay, when you appoint a labor, then labor will do a work. For that work you are giving a wages to them to appreciate their work is called reward. Okay, acquisition of goods and services. So you are bringing a goods and services to satisfy your customers. Okay, to satisfy your customer you are bringing a goods and services. That's called acquisition of goods and services. And satisfying your customers. Okay, clear? Next, the positive economic analysis. Positive economics uses objective analysis in the study of economics. Most economists looks at what has happened and what is currently happening in a given economic to from their basis of predictions for the future. This process of investigation is positive economics. Positive economics means what has happened and what is currently happening in the economic. Economists look at what has happened and what is currently happening in the economic and they predict the future. This process of investigation is positive economic. Got it? Next, normative economic analysis. It refers to the analysis in which we study whether a particular mechanism is desirable or not. In this analysis, we study what ought to be the desired situation or in what ways the economic problems should be solved. Okay, we saw positive what happened and what currently is happening in the economic. Normative means it already happened which we cannot change, but we can take a valuable judge from that and we can find a solution what is happened in the economic. Okay, difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. As we studied, microeconomic is all studies about individual markets, effect on price of good, individual labor market, individual consumer behavior, supply of good. As we studied in first, what is microeconomic? Microeconomic is all studies about individual behavior. Okay, it all focus on individual. Okay, let me see what is macroeconomic. Macroeconomic, whole economic, inflation, employment, unemployment, aggregate demand, productive capacity of economic. Microeconomics is individual and macroeconomics is whole economic, globalization, international trade. Correct? Okay. Microeconomics involves, as we studied in difference between microeconomic involves all, it talks about individual. See, supply and demand in individual market, individual consumer behavior, individual labor markets, etc. Next, macroeconomic. What are macroeconomic units? This is global and international trade. See, write it down. If you feel that it is very fast, please pause the video and write it down. Here we finish with this lesson. In next video we'll start with a new lesson. Until then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching my video.